Hi, I'm Kate and this is a Superdrug tutorial, and I'm going to show you the best bronzers and highlighters to create a summer dewy glow. So I'm going to use a foundation and add illuminator drops to give my skin a dewy glow. And now I'm going to go in with my bronzer, do this all over. So I'm just following the natural contour of my face. So now I'm going to add a shimmer bronzer on top of the matte bronzer I've already put on. This gives a nice contrast and adds to the glow. Using an oval brush really helps to blend the product. And to finish my look, I'm going to use a highlighter, just with my fingertip, and do this all over the highest points of my face. So I'm going to add to the corners of my eyes just to open them up and really make them bright. On your cupid's bow, and a bit on your chin. And there you have it, your perfect summer dewy glow look.